What's going on, YouTube? Slow Car Repairs. Today we'll be replacing my rear struts on my 2007 Mustang GT. Let's get right to it. All right, so you can obviously see that this is the original strut. It's never been changed. The original part number, original factory strut. So I've actually been bottoming out pretty bad over, dips in the road and stuff. So it was time to go ahead and replace this. It's actually fairly easy. You just remove this bolt here, and once you do that, you can access the top mount nut behind this carpet here. I'm gonna show you how to do that later. So you see that's free, so all we need to do is go up top, remove that carpet. So you can see right here is that top nut that you need to remove. So just peel the carpet back, see the nut there, go ahead and loosen that up. So I'm gonna use the gun to rip it off real quick. That's a 15 millimeter. Comes off just like that. Just like that, the old one pops out. Then look how I'm pressing it in. The rebound is horrible, so long past time for this strut to be replaced. So here's a new one. I got this from Detroit Axle. That's pretty much where I get a lot of my stuff from. Go ahead and get this installed, move on to the next side. Once you remove the tie wraps and stuff, you'll notice that it expands out. So in order to activate the strut, you're gonna wanna pump it a couple times, give about 5 pumps. Let it pop back out. You see how this rebound is a lot more fluid and faster than the originals. Get that strut activated, do it one more time. Let's go ahead and remove this top nut here. Set that to the side because this needs to go in after you put it through the car here. So first things first, take the top half, mount it through. Screw your nut into that top hat. That, guys, is how you install the shock on a 2005 through 2009 Mustang GT. It's actually pretty simple. You literally don't have to take out one bolt and one nut. Come back up to the top. Make sure everything looks good. Everything's in there snug. Thanks for watching, guys. Slow Car Repairs, Slow Car Garage. Till next time, like, share, subscribe. Peace.